Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Baffa and I'm here to take you down on the Friday edition of Catch Up Series. Uh, I think I went on a break since last month. Last month. That was April because of the fasting period. I was unable to continue with my catch up series that normally comes your way every Friday. But this week I'm back and I have some uh, interesting traits that I can share with you. What I'm looking at, what I'm going to share you, what I'm looking at, like okay, the place I'm targeting to trade in the following weeks. So normally I trade swing. I normally swing trade and I trade the higher time frames based on the higher time frame. But I can share with you now some little intraday trade that you can share with I'm looking at right now, which can give you a potential um, signal to go for a buy or for a sell. So normally, catch up series, we're not going to give you all in all, but I can just give you a hint or my forecast on what I'm seeing currently with in the market situation. For example, I can just share some few pairs with you, which I have marked out right now. I have gold, I have USDJPY, and I also have USDCHF that I want to share with you. What I'm going to show you is what I'm looking at or my forecast, my analysis based on my own little experience that I have, what the market is going to react if the price action we're looking at give us an impulse of what we're looking for. Normally, okay, let me start with gold analysis. Lately, I have been trading the wave analysis using this pattern. You can see this is H1. Look at how the gold was going in the bullish. I think my last catch-up series video on gold, I gave a hint that okay, we're going for a long position on gold, and it has been playing since last 2 weeks now. So let me just give you a recap. No, I think I don't need to give you that because it has already been played. So what I'm looking at now currently on gold is a bullish momentum, which started a couple of weeks back. And you can see I just marked up the H1 showing a higher high. You can see a higher high impulse. You can see a higher high movement. It will straight back, but it will not be as low as its previous low, and to pick up and create another high greater than the previous high, and also face down, not lower as the previous low, and it now create another higher high, and also which is greater than the previous high. So right now, look at what I'm looking at. It creates another low, another I'm expecting. When you're announcing a pair, you always go back to the history of what that pair has been showcasing, or what has been happening with the pair a couple of weeks back, and that's exactly what I did right now. I test and see the behavior of that price based on my higher time frame analysis. I told you I've already marked up gold since last 2 months, and my impulse was okay. This pair is going to go have a very bullish momentum, which if you check your D1, it has been playing out. You can see, yeah, yeah, it has been playing out. I think this was my last markup on gold based on daily time frame. So what I'm looking at now is if this price should break this key level resistance at 195 here 1951, then I'll be seeing we're going to do all-time high at 2070. But right now, let's focus on what we are seeing currently, which is here. We are here right now. I'm just telling you if on the long run, if price should look above this 1951. So, but for now, all we know is we have a bullish momentum going up, retrace back, go up, retrace back, and go up. So if you come down to the lower time frame, then for those that normally do intraday trade, I advise you to look for an impulse that will retrace back or pull back. Then you can wait for any price action signal for you to go in for a buy signal. So currently you can see the price